Dear students, I am here to discuss some of the keywords of the operating systems where normally students get confused. So let me start with a term like a process. What exactly the process means? Process is basically, suppose you are writing a certain programs. If this program after writing, if it is executable, then it is termed as a process. Or I can say a program in executions is known as process. And who manage this process? This is managed by OS. Managed by OS. Now another terms, task. Now what exactly the task means? Task means it's simply a set of instructions, and where you write this instruction is loaded into the memory. That means, say for example, you are telling somebody to carry out certain task on so and so times. If you are telling a person to carry out a certain task, you are given a list. So this person will see, okay, this is task 1, task 2, task 3. So he will see the task 1 and he will try to recall what are the activities, or he will read all the tasks and he will keep it in his memory, and when as per the completion of one task, he will switch over to the next job. So task is nothing but a set of instruction how to do, and these tasks are kept in the memory and then accordingly perform it. Or it is a part of job. The next, we give a term as a word job. What is job? Job is nothing but it is a set of processes. That used to carry out by in the form of a task. So you are having one process. Let us take that this process is a MATLAB code. This process is a Python code. This process is a MP4 file, video files. So these are nothing but a different process. And how it has to process, there is a given instruction. And if that instruction is nothing but what? We termed it as a task. So here a task is that this process has to perform based on the instructions. So that is what. So job is a collection of a set of processes. So these are nothing but your processes. And what is processes? It's a set of instructions which is, or set of programs that is allowed to execute. That is what. Now next, let me put a terms like a word, very important word, thread. See, you know, any rope is a combination of multiple small single fibers. So these are nothing but in the form of a thread. So threads, what is actually thread in the operating system? It is used for small task. You see, a single thread, small task. But all things, when it is combined together, if you are making this in combined together, then it becomes process. It used to use for heavy task. Heavy task. So where is thread resides? So thread is within the same process. That means you see that this is an individual thread. So when you combine together, so this becomes, so this is a process. This entire thing is process. So these are some of the important terms that I feel that this is useful for you to understand what is exactly the process or operating system's keyword means. Thank you.